Hi, so today we're going to talk about the pins on the map and why they get kind of shaded in. For example, we're going to use the number 1 listing here. You'll notice that it just shows the flag. When you click on the number here in the list on the left, if you click on the flag here, it turns on this kind of halo around the number on the map. It's just to highlight where the pin is on the map. Might be helpful if the map was bigger and there was more listings, but it appears that this happens with, let's go with the 9th listing in the list here because it's a pin that we have on display. It doesn't highlight that pin if we put a check mark in the box, but if we click on the number 9, see, it does that as well. And then I guess it's a way to bring attention to the pin. We can try it with the number 7 here, see if it will do multiples, and instead of highlighting 2 pins, it moves the highlight to the last number we click on.